So you've seen MTDCNC's football video, but we've snuck over to Wellesbourne here at ETG's headquarters, and I'm kind of trying to get a bit of a sneaky view of Martin Doyle, his team, his manager's team tactics. Let's just have a little look to see what the tactics are all about. What? Oh, I don't think that's quite safe, and that's an interesting tactic. Oh, Ian, quick. I think we're going to have to leave. Sorry. Martin Doyle from ETG has accepted an interview with us, but only on pre-prepared questions. Thanks, Martin. Have you taken time to evaluate your competition?
Yeah, kind of. We're not taking the game too seriously, considering the fitness levels of the other team. You know, we're treating it more of a practice for bigger things. As far as the characters of the other teams concerned, I mean, they're like Sunday league level, you know. So it's a bit difficult to do any sort of due diligence on them. Although saying that, we're obviously aware of Podgy Paul Jones, who likes to dribble a lot. They got that other guy, Giovanni Albalanzi, or whatever his name is, who likes to come up the rear. And then you've got that real old fella, the grey-haired guy, Colin. I believe he's in goal.
Right, okay. Can you give us a clue as to your lineup then at ETG?
Yeah, of course. In fact, I've got a couple of clips that I can share with you that speak for themselves, really. So we've got.
My name's Steve Owls and I'm ETG's top striker.
Impressive, Martin. Yep, very impressive.
We've got John Mannion. He's been playing football for over 60 years now, since he was 12.
John Mannion, ETG's top striker.
Impressive. I like it.
We got Sedat Kurtulus. This is our Turkish import, who's had 20 caps for his own home country. Proud to have him on board. Bit of a coup.
I mean, the skill level there.
Hello guys, I am the ETG's top striker. I'll see you there.
We got Steve Brown, our captain. As you can see from his Adonis type physique, this guy really does look after himself.
Daddy?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
Training football.
What's he doing on the floor then?
Yeah, I don't know. Come on, ETG!
I mean, they're determined, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're dead keen. I mean, a new signing this morning, Ollie Riley.
Mr. Ollie Riley, can we get a quick interview, please?
There we go.
Was that Barbie girl?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Okay. So are the rumours true? Have you signed for an undisclosed fee for ETG FC?
Yes, I have, yes.
And are you looking forward to playing with the new team?
It's going to be fun, just get a good run out against MTDCNC.
And what position are you hoping to play?
We all know I'm ETG's top striker.
Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Ollie Riley.
No worries.
Have fun.
It's outside Old Trafford this morning. That's news hot off the press. And last but not least, we've got Ethan, who's definitely our top striker.
I'm Ethan and I'm ETG's top striker.
Yeah,
I mean,
so
you're determined, aren't you, Martin?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we're up for it. You know, we're up for it.
So what strategy are you going to apply to this match?
Well, as you'd expect, we've invested heavily in some very high technology software that costs well over £3. And the way this works is you plug in all of the statistics for each and historic data for each player into the software, including the competition stats, and it spits out a very comprehensive plan. Or strategy as a recommendation. I can share, you know, that strategy here. So this is what it's spitted out. So as you can see, this is me on the sideline. This is MTD grouped up over here because they don't tend to go out alone. They like to stick together, you know. So they're over here. So the software's worked that out. This is their goal. This is our goalkeeper up here. That'll be Khan Conin. He'll be staying still a lot, as you can see. And then what we've decided, little bit controversial, but we're going to have one person in goal, and we're going to have 4 people kicking the ball that way towards the other goal, and that's the way the strategy is. That's what we're going to do.
Complex.
It is complex, yeah. Obviously, you need some software and all that to work it out, but that's what we've come up with.
I'm very impressed. Are you nervous about the game?
Not at all, not at all. Like I say, we're just seeing it as a bit of a run out, bit of a practice. Looking forward to meeting the guys on the 6th, you know. But you know, I know a few of them have booked a few weeks off from MTD afterwards, obviously to recover because they're old and fat. But they'll be fine.
Okay, there you have it. ETG's version of their events for the upcoming match of football on September the 6th.